Click on search icon, then in the search bar type Task Manager. Now select Run as Administrator. On this window, click on File, select Run New Task, and then click on Browse button. Now select this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. From here just scroll down and open C System32 folder. Then just scroll down and search for cmd.exe file. Double click on it. Then check this box and click on OK. This will open command prompt window. We already have the list of commands to make it easy for you. So we need to open Google Chrome. Then open google.com. In the search bar type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. From the search results, click on this link which is from hows.tech. Now just scroll down and we need to copy these commands. So copy command number 12, go to command prompt window, simply right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter to execute it. Then copy command number 13 and right click and paste the command, hit enter. Once done, close the command prompt window. Click on start icon, then select Task Manager. It will open a new window. Now go to more details. Just scroll down, expand this from here and select Diagnostic Policy Service. Right click on it, select End Task. Check this option and select Shutdown. Go to Services and let's find out for DPS. Right click on it and select Stop. After that, close this window. Then open Run and paste here. We'll get this from the description below, just copy and paste. After that, delete this file and close this window. Once done, again open Task Manager. There we go. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.